Hello everyone, this is Ben Hawk and I want to show you how to safely pack a baseball style cap in a poly mailer and ship it. And that's all you need. Of course, your packing slip, your hat, and your poly mailer. Alright, first of all, obviously you take your hat and you put it into the poly mailer. Yep, that looks nice and safe for it, doesn't it? Wait till I'm done. Okay, line it up good. Alright, now comes the magic trick. This is a heat sealer. Okay? Basically what we're going to do is we're going to seal it. And what you got, I'm going to have a link to this in my description below, and that way you're able to get one. They're only about $22 shipped. You want to set this to 3. Any higher and you're probably going to melt the bag and it's not going to work right. Take this, line it up with the screw. That's going to leave you just a little bit, about a ½ inch on the end. You don't want to seal it completely across. Okay, make sure it's nice and flat. Come down, your light will go off. Once that light goes off, you are sealed. Okay, with the exception of that little bit right there. Take a pen tube where you've taken all the guts out. Take it, stick it in that hole. Blow it up. Take it, come across, do it again, and now you are safely packed. You can take your sticky off, close it up if you want, and you're good to go. Ain't nothing gonna happen to that hat in shipment. Okay? Then look at what you got. You've got a baseball cap. You're not having to use a box for the extra weight or anything like that. All this here is as much tape as I would use on this package and a label. That gives me the weight that it's going to be. I got 4 ounces. So rather than having to put any extra packing or any bubble wrap or anything like that in there, this is it. I've shipped several of them like this and I've never had an issue, never had a complaint from a customer, and it's good to go. All I got to do is put the label on it and send it out. Now as far as this comes in several different sizes. This is the 16-inch one. You want to get the 16-inch one in case you have like maybe a cowboy hat and you have a larger bubble mailer or something like that. All you got to do is just, like I said, no matter how big the bag is, just seal it to that just a little bit, leave a little bit open so that you have enough to put your little straw thingy in, and then push it down and it seals. You might want to every one of these is obviously not going to be exact measurements and stuff. You might want to start out at about 2.5 and see how it seals, play with it and learn how it works. But again, it's only like $22 shipped. I have nothing to do with the product itself. I just use this to do to mail hats, and I figured you guys might want to be able to do that as well. Now the link below will be an affiliate link, an eBay affiliate link, and if you do buy one, I do appreciate it. I will get a small commission. It won't be a lot, but I will get a commission on it. And hopefully this helps you out. Thank you for watching and have a cha-ching day. Remember, that's the way to ship a hat. Take care.